Hey y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you are having an amazing day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings. We do anything from beauty, lifestyle, home decor, fashion, accessories. We do a little bit of everything here. So if you love subscription box unboxings, then please go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And guys, don't forget, we do have the Jeffree Star giveaway going on that will be linked down below, and it does include the Alien palette. So check that out if you have not already. But for today's video, we have our Ipsy versus Ipsy. I love doing this like side-by-side comparison with the bags. I think it's always fun. I've been doing it for quite a few months now, whereas before I just got one bag, and I like to see the difference. The only thing is, the difference really shouldn't be too much of a difference because unlike a lot of people, I do the exact same profile. So I have my profile that I've been getting for many years with Ipsy, and I literally, when I created the other account, put it at exactly the same specifications, you know, as far as like this, don't like this, like that kind of thing. So I like to see, you know, how they really do match profile. And obviously anytime I get any duplicates, they get put to the side for future giveaways. So it's a win-win. So, and if you don't know, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It is $12 a month. You receive a cute little bag, and inside the bag, you will receive 5 sample, deluxe size sample, and sometimes even full size items. One thing I do like is you now can go in and actually choose one item for each subscription, because Ipsy offers their $12 bag that they have their Ipsy Plus that is $25 with 5 full-size items, as well as their Ipsy Ultimate where you receive 8 full-size items and 4 deluxe sample items for $50 a month. So let's get in here and do our Ipsy versus Ipsy for February 2020. So I'm going to start with my regular bag, the one I've been getting for years, and they're pretty good with my profile. I will have to say, usually they are pretty good. So let's go ahead and dive in and see. All right, so right away I can see there's something outside the bag. Ooh, the bag. Y'all, this bag is about as cute as can be. It is so soft. It looks like this plush quilted just gorgeousness. And then it has this really pretty purpley color with Ipsy on the pool there. This bag is gorgeous. I love this bag. All right, so we'll start here with the item outside the bag. And it is a set of sheet masks, it looks like. This is from Kazu Beauty, 24 karat gold glow sheet mask, lift firm glow and detox, pure luxury 24 karat gold collection. Single use treatment sheet mask adhere to the shape of the face, infusing the skin with a powerful solution of peptides, pure 24 karat gold, and hyaluronic acid to help visibly reduce the appearance of the most stubborn wrinkles and expression lines. There's 2 of them. So I'll be 36 this year, so I need all the help with lines that I can get. So I'm excited about that. I do love sheet masks. So now let's dive in here. Hopefully there's a card in here that will tell us. I think I feel a card. Yes. So Feel the Love is the theme for February 2020. That warm, fuzzy feeling you get from being in love, feel it every day in the littlest of things, from pampering your skin with a multi-step routine to savoring your morning coffee. And each time I've read that, I'm like, I do that every day. Every moment is an opportunity to show yourself how much you love you. So there is the card, and it does have the items inside. So the mask technically was a deluxe sample because the full size is a 5-pack, and that would be $12.50. So we got 2 instead of 5. All right, so then we have, this is from the Sahame, if I'm saying that correctly, Perfumed Hand Essence Magnolia. right there. There. When it's cold outside, your hands can be the first to show signs of moisture loss. Always keep a lotion like this water-like formula within reach. The non-tacky, fast-absorbing formula is infused with macadamia seed, olive, and argan oils to help your hands stay nourished and moisturized throughout the day. Now, this is full size, and this is $3.99. All right, so it has a safety seal on it, so I'm not going to open it right now because I have so many hand creams open. So there is that guy. And then K-Boss Fairy Dust Pressed Highlighter. It says Evening Primrose and Artichoke. Its shade is Moonlight. Baby, it's cold outside. Don't let that dull your glow. Say hello to the silkiest highlight ever. This powder blends into the skin like butter, while light reflecting pearly pink pigments that make your cheekbones and the high points of your face pop. Oh, and it'll never cake or crease either, promise. And they're saying this is the full size and that it is $28. Wow. It says certified vegan. All right, so this is outside of the box. Oh, that is a pretty color. That is a very pretty color. What I'm probably gonna do though is set this to the side for a future giveaway, just because I have so many larger highlighters. I really don't know that I would reach for this that often, and it's too pretty to just sit. So one of you guys will be getting this in a future giveaway. All right, and then we've got from Colored Rain Matte Lip Paint 24/7. 24/7 is the color. So there is that. Looking for a lip color you can wear from work to weekend and that won't dry your lips out in the cold? This creamy liquid formula is for you. The pink liquid lipstick doesn't budge, seriously. And it dries to a gorgeous matte finish that's 0% drying. Plus, one swipe gives you intense color payoff. And this is the full size. Oh no, this is a deluxe sample. Really? Okay, the full size is 4 grams, and that's valued at $17. Well, this is 3.5 grams. So it's literally only half a gram from being a full size. So here is, that is a very, very pretty color, very mauvey and gorgeous. And I'm sorry, I would, to me, this is full size. And I think that that is absolutely gorgeous. Again, I'm probably gonna put this in a giveaway because I have a lot of lip shades in this color or in a color similar. So I'd love to share with one of you guys. All right, and then our final product is from The Balm Pedal to the Metal Baba Vroom Cream Eyeshadow. Shift into Overdrive. Okay. Turbo. This is the outer packaging here. We're always excited when a product from The Balm comes across our desk, and this shimmery cream shadow has quickly become our new go-to. This rose gold with silver flecks blends like a dream, and it's a totally unique shade that's versatile enough for day or to glam up your looks for night. And the full size is 10.5 grams, and that is $29.50. And this is 1.2 grams. Oh, it is very pretty. And you can at least I can see, I don't know if it's gonna pick it up on camera. I can kind of see where it kind of goes down in. So you can kind of tell that it is a creamy shadow. Again, because I don't tend to reach for singles, I'll be putting this to the side for one of you guys. So that was everything in my first bag. So we got the single eyeshadow, we got the really gorgeous highlighter, the gorgeous lip, we got the hand cream, and the two 24 karat gold sheet masks. So I think that was actually a really, really good bag. And then again, also the bag is super pretty. So there's that one. So let's get into this profile and see if we got any of the same items, because like I said, it is set exactly the same. So oh, first I was like, what? I forgot I did some add-ons. So I did add on the Wander Beauty Nude Illusion Liquid Foundation. So I added this guy on with full size. And then I added on one of my favorite blushes because they had it in the $3 part. And it's a full size Ofra. It was when they did the Madison Miller collab, but it's still a full size Ofra blush for $3. And I reach for this, let me show you this way, almost every day. This is like my favorite blush. And this is the Sweet Stuff. So these two items I added on. Okay, now let's get to the actual bag. All right, so we got two things outside of the bag. We have the same set here of the sheet mask. So this will be going into a future giveaway since I already got that. And let's see. Then I got a Moda Pro. This is BMX 255 Accentuate. So here is a brush. Just got one of these in the Valentine mystery bag, but it was not the same one. It was similar, but it was not the same. So I love these feel really, really nice, and I do like Moda brushes. So again, we have the same adorable bag. And feel the love. And then all of our products. So it says for this one, want to glow all winter? Highlighter is the easiest way to do it. And thanks to this fluffy highlighter brush, applying it has never been easier. The perfect size for precisely applying highlighter anywhere you want. And the pro quality bristles blend like a dream and won't shed or separate. And this is full size at $7.99. So you could just whoop whoop. Feel like fairy godmother. All right, so let's see what else we got. All right, so I did get another hand cream. Not the same one, but it is another hand cream. And this is Merci Handy Hand Cream. Hello Sunshine. Winter weather can wreak havoc on your hands, but this hand cream is here to help. It's packed with vitamin and fatty acid rich seed almond oil to heal dry skin. Look closely, you'll see tiny yellow dots. Those are emollient pearls that protect your skin and give this cream a big moisture boost. This is full size at $7. So there's that. I'll go ahead and set this to the side for a giveaway since I got a hand cream in my first bag. So one of you guys get to try this guy. All right. And then we got another lip cream, not the same, but we did get another liquid lip. Half caked, super glazed in slight work. This may be our most kissable lip formula yet. Tacky, sticky, goopy, none of the above. The vitamin E infused formula makes your lips smooth, never sticky, and tints them with a gorgeous peachy nude color in just one swipe. P.S. This baby is 100% vegan and cruelty free. And this is full size and valued at $10. So let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that is definitely a nude, and it's pretty, very pretty. But again, I have quite a few colors like this, so let's go to one of you guys. All right, and then one more item. Oh my gosh, oh, I love this. I don't... Okay, so this is from Tarte. This is their Sex Kitten liquid liner in black. I love Tarte. I do wear black eyeliner, obviously. I usually do not wear or use liquid liners, honestly, because I'm afraid of them. I just don't know how to use them. So I think this may be the one that I'm actually gonna keep and give a go because y'all, it's Tarte. And the packaging, do you see this? It literally is a little kitty. Like, oh my gosh. Like, Sex Kitten, and it literally has a little cat. So I think I am gonna hold on to this guy, and maybe this one will work. So that is everything that came in my second bag. So we got the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner, we got a Moda brush, the hand cream, another set of the 24 karat gold sheet mask, and another liquid lip. So I would have to say that they were very close in the products. One obviously, yes, was an exact duplicate. And then we had two that were basically the same item, just a different brand and color. So I think they did a great job. Which bag do you think was the best? Let me know down below if we were bag twins on either bag. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, don't forget about that Jeffree Star giveaway. It is linked below. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.